How to read a metric micrometer. Measurements taken with micrometers are a combination of the value shown on the sleeve scale and the value indicated on the rotating sleeve scale. When using a micrometer with an additional vernier scale, you take into account the value on the vernier scale. Take into account means to pay attention to something, to take notice of. Step 1. Look at sleeve scale. The value of the first significant figure of a measurement is on the sleeve scale. This is the number immediately to the left of the thimble. Significant means important, to be worthy of attention. Figure is a number that is part of a larger number used to show a total. On a metric micrometer, this is in millimeters. Each minor increment on the sleeve scale represents 0.5 millimeters. In this example, the reading on the sleeve scale is 6.5 millimeters. Minor means small. Represents is a sign or a symbol of something. Step 2. Look at thimble scale. Then read the value shown on the thimble scale. The thimble scale of a metric micrometer has a range of 0.5 millimeters, 1 complete revolution, with each increment representing 0.01 millimeters and usually numbered in 0.05 millimeter steps. The value is the lowest number that aligns best with the index line on the sleeve scale. If the index line falls between two values, the reading will be the number immediately below the index line. Fall between means to be in the middle of. If this happens, you estimate the final part of the measurement, or, if your micrometer has one, consult the vernier scale. Here, the thimble scale is showing 0.11 millimeters. Consult, in this case, means to look for information. Step 3. Look at vernier scale. If you have a vernier micrometer, next read the value indicated on the vernier scale. The vernier scale of a metric micrometre has a measuring range of 0.01 millimetres and is graduated in 10 increments. Each increment represents 0.001 millimetres. The reading on the vernier scale is the value that aligns best with any increment on the thimble scale. 0.009 millimetres in this image. Step 4. Add values together. To get your total reading, add the values from each of the scales together. Sleeve plus thimble plus vernier equals measured value. Example: 6.5 millimeters plus 0.11 millimeters equals 6.66 millimeters. Because the reading on the thimble scale fell roughly halfway between two values, we can estimate that the reading is in fact 6.665 millimeters. Roughly means not 100% accurate. A vernier scale, however, would provide the smallest part of the measurement more accurately, 0.005 millimeters in this case.